need, and then let's make it. We need heavy cream, sweet condensed milk, a little bit of salt, vanilla extract, and for covering we need chocolate and coconut oil. If you like peanuts, have some crushed peanuts. And for making, we need a popsicle mold. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. As you can see, I have 1 cup of heavy cream. Now I'm going to put 1 cup of sweet condensed milk. Now I'm going to put a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to put vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to pour it into the mold. Now I'm going to freeze it for 5 hours or overnight. As you can see, I have a frozen batch. I'm going to coat it with the chocolate. I'm doing one with peanuts and one without peanuts. This one tastes delicious.